Hey guys, so there's all of this talk about Robinhood listing the Shiba Inu coin, but it hasn't actually happened yet. And in today's video, we'll be sharing some inside info with you about the future of Shiba being hosted on Robinhood. If that's something that you're interested in, then stay tuned because that's what we'll be talking about with you in today's video. Welcome to Next Level Finance. If you're interested in making money online, gaining financial freedom, and anything that can help you achieve that, then please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting the notification bell down below so you don't miss out on any of our videos. And with that said, let's jump right into it. So there's been news that Robinhood executives are concerned with their Q3 earnings report. Robinhood stocks went down by 8.4% after reporting its earnings, falling even below its IPO price. There's said to have been a slowdown in user growth and crypto trading on its platform. On the other hand, Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev also said that their revenues in Q2 were up with a huge interest, especially Dodge, and this has led to large numbers of customers joining the platform. I suppose that we should also note that Robinhood's growth has come in waves instead of a straight line up during times of increased volatility. Based on their Q3 reports, Robinhood's user growth is practically flat and the average revenue per user has declined as well. This versus its performance in Q2 when Dogecoin, which had initially started off as a joke, had accounted for 62% of Robinhood's revenue. To control the bleeding and maybe bring their stock price up, I'd say that it's a safe bet that they will, in one way or another, list the Shiba coin. And many are saying that this will happen in Q4 2021 or Q1 2022. There's also a lot of pressure and clamoring online, which Robinhood executives have acknowledged by saying that they hear their customers loud and clear. There have been multiple petitions online regarding the Shiba, with the most popular one having close to 500,000 signatures asking for the SHIB to be listed on Robinhood. Its first line reads, "This petition is designed to kindly request of Robinhood to please list Shiba Inu coin to trade." The petition further describes the cryptocurrency's momentum grows by the hour and that half the questions when we log into trading forums ask, "How can I buy Shiba?" What's crazy is that if the petition does reach 500,000 signatures, as it's expected to, then it will become one of the top signed petitions on change.org, and that truly says something, doesn't it? Some of the reasons that people have been giving for signing are, I have Shiba on a different platform, it would be much better if I can have all of my coins in the same one. Or Shiba would bring a lot of new investors to Robinhood and of course help Shiba fans too. It's a win-win. Or even Shiba is the future of crypto. Besides that, hashtag when Shiba trended on Twitter, and this was of course also aimed at the app-based brokerage Robinhood. So yeah, with so many investors clamoring for this, you can expect that they're focusing on releasing their crypto wallet as well as hosting the Shiba. Robinhood is well aware that listing the Shiba would likely bring in new accounts besides exposing it to its 18.9 million active users. But the company appears to be treading carefully around new tokens, and it has indicated that it wants to wait for more regulatory clarity before adding new coins to its platform. Regulators around the world have been cracking down on the rapidly expanding cryptocurrency market, including the United States SEC, which has said that it is scrutinizing several aspects of digital currencies, including the offer and sale of crypto tokens. So just a quick intermission to say that if you're enjoying the content so far, if you're getting any value from it, sending a quick reminder to please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. Also leave a comment to let us know what you want to see next. Alright, so back to the video. Okay, so if you don't already know, Also in the works and being waited upon by close to 1.5 million investors is the crypto wallet that Robinhood is working on. Executives believe that this crypto wallet will boost their revenue, and we all know that the Shiba Inu will be a huge part of it. On new coins specifically, one thing to mention is that crypto wallets will allow customers to participate and take coins such as Bitcoin that they've purchased on Robinhood to participate in some of the other decentralized applications of platform which allow access to coins that we don't offer. This is something that Vlad Tenev has said. So we actually believe that by rolling out wallets will go a long way towards addressing the primary pain point that customers feel right now. On the other hand, according to Maddie Greenspan, who is CEO of Crypto Advisory and Analysis at Quantum Digital, if investors continue seeking out newer coins for the prospect of faster returns, crypto platforms will need to stay on their toes to keep their clients happy. At the same time, relaxing their pathway to acceptance by reducing due diligence, and eventually they could end up accidentally listing useless coins or even scams. Then again, Joseph Edwards, who is head of research at Enigma Securities, does drive a point home when he says you never want to be the last to list a coin because that's the point at which price typically collapses. So as we wait on Robinhood to announce that they will indeed be listing the Shiba Inu, it's also good to note that there have been other petitions regarding the token. One that requests for PayPal to accept Shiba coins has gotten close to 75,000 signatures, and this actually isn't very unlikely to happen. We all know that PayPal has been expanding, and we know that it's looking for coins. There also have been other petitions requesting for Amazon to accept Shiba as a form of payment, and another one that's asking Tesla to do the same. Although that might be a little bit far-fetched for now, given that Elon Musk doesn't even own any Shiba coins yet. Again, if you don't own any Shiba coins and would like to get your hands on some, I'll leave a Webull link for you down below, so make sure that you check that out. Also, check out other videos on our channel. We have a ton of them, and I'll leave links to those below as well. If you got any value today, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because we've got a ton of new content coming up for you. Also, let us know what you want to see next, alright? And until then, please take care and talk soon.